Hello guys, welcome to PMI Technology. So today I have another indicator which is about ISM manufacturing PMI. So we release the time is 22. So you go to the investment.com or you can find out the link in the description below. So you click on that link and then we show like this. So you change your location here, your time zone. For me is +7. So it will show you like this. Yeah, so you scroll down, you will see here the USA here, 22 here. You see here, 22 here. You see ISM manufacturing PMI. Yeah, click on that one. So again we release at 22. The time is 22. Yeah, so click on this one. Okay, so you scroll down. Okay, here. Okay, so the previous is 49 and the forecast is 48.5. So again, how to check it is bad or good? If it below the forecast, below 48.5, it is very good, below that one. Yeah, but if it between or equal 48.5 to 49, equal this one, it is little bad. But if it above 49, it is very bad. Yes, that's how to check PMI manufacturing in USA. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more and more about cryptocurrency. Bye bye.